Hello everyone, Shamama here. Today I am going to discuss about throat chakra. Throat chakra is otherwise known as Vishuddhi chakra. The Sanskrit name or meaning of Vishuddhi is purification. This chakra is located at the center of throat, and the element of this throat chakra is air element. This chakra represents the communication and self expression. When it balanced, we'll be truthful and good listeners, and will be expressing ourselves very strongly, and there must be a peacefulness inside us. The color of throat chakra is blue or turquoise. The throat chakra is responsible for generating thoughts. It's linked with the thought process. So whatever we think that's manifest in our outside world. So it's a freedom of expression, and this chakra when it is balanced will make you realize that there is no one can like overpower you, there is no one can control you. This chakra resonates with confession and love. When we say I forgive you to someone, this extremely a great healing process. Forgiveness helps to heal ourselves and also helps the other person to create a good bonding again. Forgiveness helps to heal throat and heart chakra, and it eliminates the burden of anger, jealousy, fear, and hurt. So this forgiveness plays an important process in balancing our throat chakra. It is the place where we can sing, speak good words, and bless other people. But instead, we use this beautiful chakra to complain, to get anger, and hurting others, and various other negative things. A deficiency in this chakra lead to disease like tonsils, thyroid, and insecurity about communicating or any other lumps in the throat. So all this is manifest due to unwilling to open ourselves to others, keeping things inside us like an agrimony state. We are not able to communicate perfectly what we are thinking, what to our true nature due to the uh, social stigma or any other thing. So to express our true self, to speak the truth, to show this is what I am, we need a balanced throat chakra. And the overactive Vishuddhi chakra can bring arrogance, excessive talking, gossiping, backbiting, and inability to listen others. Listening others also an act of communication. It's kind of heather personality. Like we will not listen like what the other person want to tell. We just want to express ourselves. We just want to force our will on others. So this is also a symbol of deficiency or overactive throat chakra. So okay, now how can we heal it? We can use, as usual, we can use crystal. There are beautiful crystals which heals the throat chakra, like lapis lazuli, turquoise, chrysocolla, and sodalite. These chakras has an subtle vibrations when we meditate it or when we are wearing it, when we are keeping under it pillow while sleeping. Those subtle vibration will make ourselves to connect to the truthfulness. That vibrations will change the negative pattern into positive one by observing the negativity and emitting the positive vibrations. Or we can meditate concentrating on the throat chakra, or by saying affirmations that I am open to communicate truthfully. I hereby open myself. Like there are so many affirmations are there. We can say those things, and we can eat the purple or blue color foods like brinjal or many other foods which are indicated to throat chakra. Let's heal ourselves. Let's always speak the truth. Let's give voice for the truth and express ourselves perfectly. So these are the main things of throat chakra. Let's purify ourselves. Let's remove the mask of ugliness. Let's remove the mask of lying and express our inner true self and balance our throat chakra. Live life happily. Thank you.